What's up, it's Andy here from Banshee Boat, and today I'm going to talk about this awesome little thing I made.
Woo! Banshee boating, baby!
Very good. Close.
Banshee boat for everything boating.
Cheap. It's like $1 for this. I just took 2 screws, put it in, piece of wood, I measured it, and I put it here. So what this is going to do is just a really cheap way to kind of save your engine from road vibration. And this looks like it doesn't even have a pin that goes right through. It looks like a pretty weak point. If this engine was smashing around, up and down, smashing on the road, or going over speed bumps, it's 35 years old. We got to hit some serious new lakes and do some crazy new stuff in this baby. This Johnson 90's got a lot more things to see, so we can't let anything here break. So I made this piece of wood and I put a staple on there, a little rope just to hold it for on the highway, just to make sure everything, we're not having any problems. You can do this on yours. So I just measured it, and basically what's going to happen is that fits in. So I just got to bring her down a little bit. Oh, first I'm actually going to put the cover back on. That's what I'm going to do first. Put the cover back on, and we're all good. Yeah, we got a lot more crazy, we got a ton more crazy lakes, some crazy stuff to do. The Johnson's got a lot of life left in it. It only gets 94 gas, and we're only going wide open throttle the entire time. Let's do it. Fantastic. So the precision with this part, it takes the exact same amount of force off this. So it's easy to put it, it's easy to install it. So I just put this down. If you have a friend, it is easier. But I'm gonna fit this up in here. It kind of just fits up and sits there. I could actually go a touch down lower, but that'll actually slide up into place. And this sitting in the middle. Okay, you know what? I will go a touch lower. That's it. Then we're going to install our piece. This straight leading on these, and there's nothing there, so we're going to lift that in. Much better fitting. It's even on each side. You can even tie a little rope around here. This is what I do. That kind of keeps it safe on the highway, but also kind of keeps it safe when you're, if you don't have a person to do it with, right? So we're gonna make sure that's level. We wanna keep this all the way up. Then we come down nice and even. And you can see as we retract it all the way, which is how I always keep it, it sits evenly on both the wood and the bracket. It pulls in together, sits evenly in there, and that was about a $2 fix. Well, it wasn't really a fix. It was just a $2, I love this Johnson, and it's gonna last forever, I want it to. So the piece of wood there, so it's basically, you get double brackets on here, and takes off a lot of the weight. If it flies off on the highway, do a double knot with a staple on there. That ain't going anywhere. So double brackets, less bump over speed bumps and all that stuff, because that could be harsh. This engine's heavy, so less over that. We're gonna do some great stuff. We're gonna do some drone shots, new lakes. We are only striving to get 4K shots. I'm gonna try and get the best sound and the best video in every single video to come, and make it better and better every single video that I make. So hopefully you subscribe right down there, because every video that comes out, you are gonna be happy with.
check out one of these other fantastic videos. You won't be disappointed.